I was an exterminator in Las Vegas. I got a letter when I worked at American Pest Control, I believe on 69th Street, that there was a study being done at UNLV for bed bugs, where they were coming up with a compound, okay, that they would basically inject you with the antidote to kill bed bugs and it would stay in your bloodstream for potentially a month, and that way you wouldn't need any pesticides. I'm just telling you the shit. I'm just telling you the shit that people don't know about, okay? There's also a compound, okay? Think about this, and nobody really knows this because not a lot of people are exterminators. There's a product that I use for cockroaches that I spray that's invisible when it dries. It doesn't smell, but roaches can touch it for up to 45 days, and it makes them unable to reproduce. So, I mean, just think about that. There's a thing that I mix up 1 ounce per gallon. It's called IGR, Integrated Growth Regulator, Gentrol, Nigard, okay? And you basically spray it, and roaches can't reproduce. Think about the stuff that's in your environment that you don't know, biologically, GMO, whatever you want to call it, whether it's fallen from the sky or whatever. I don't care how crazy you think it is with these. There was no chemtrails when I was a kid. I'll just tell you that right now. Okay, just tell you that right now. It was not a thing in the 80s. Okay. So just tell you, and it took me a while to figure it out, but I'm just telling you, think about it. Think about the stuff that goes on that you have no clue about, okay? So just imagine stuff that they're putting in your food that's not even testable. It's like when these UFC athletes look like Mr. Olympia and they pass the drug test. There's steroids and growth products and hormones and shit, that performance enhancing drugs that are 40 years, 50 years ahead of, you'll never even hear about them, and they're using them. So just a little food for thought. Just because you don't know about it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Okay?